Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I'm going to make another slime video, and I'm going to make cloud slime. The ingredients you will need are, of course, Elmer's glue, contact solution, food coloring, baking soda, and Insta-Snow. I put it in a Project jar, but you can get Insta-Snow at the Dollar Tree, or you can make your own. That's what I did. To make it, you can use baking soda, like I showed you earlier, and shaving cream, or baking soda and conditioner. So, let's get started. So, first step, you'll need to put the glue in. Of course, gotta put the glue in. Okay. Step 2 is the food coloring. Last time I did green, but this time I'm gonna do pink. To make pink, if you don't have pink color, you can do 1 drop of red food coloring and white glue. Make sure it's white. White or clear glue. It works, just 1 drop. So, 1 drop. Then go. Then, next you mix that to make the colors come together. And as you can see, 1 drop is enough to make pink. Then, next, add the food coloring. Wait, no, not food coloring, sorry. Contact solution. Then add a little bit of baking soda. And again, like last time, just keep on adding it until it comes together. Well, it kind of does. But while you're in this process part, add the Insta-Snow. Okay, hold on. Sorry, it's kind of in chunks. Here we go. Now I think it's coming together. And again, add baking soda, food coloring. Okay, now you can see it's come together. And so, whenever you can get all of the slime together, and it's not really sticking to the bowl, then you know it's ready. And whenever you touch it, it doesn't really stick to your hands. Okay. this looks like it's good. Just looks like you gotta work it a little. So sometimes when you work with the slime, it takes a couple of minutes, or it works really quick. This looks like it's gonna take a minute or seconds, I'm not sure. Looks like it's finally getting together, kind of. It's the tiniest bit sticky. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now it's here together. Okay, hello. So now you can see it's getting together now. It's stretchy. It's very stretchy. It's squishy. Pretty much a very perfect cloud slime. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can make cloud slime. For my next video, I might be doing fluffy slime or metallic slime. Comment below and tell me which one you want me to make. So, stay tuned, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching Slime and Design.